Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Galaxy A56 camera features. Let's begin! Obviously, first things first, we have to go into the camera. We can turn location tags? I don't think so. I want my location to be as private as possible, as it is my location after all. So, let's say you want to use portrait mode. All you have to do is swipe here at the bottom to the portrait, and now your phone is in portrait mode, which has improved. Actually, I'm going to take this little fella here. As you can see, we have our little plant, but it is pretty zoomed in. So now we can take a photo in the portrait mode. We can also click here in order to to change the strength of the portrait mode, which will basically, I don't think it's visible on the camera, but here you can see that the background is pretty visible, and here the blur on the outside is much heavier. And I'm going to keep it as, let's say, 3, and now I can just press and do the photo. Obviously, that is not the only feature on the new Galaxy A56. We also have a little fun things, which will basically work on a face. You don't have to really use a face. I'm not going to do a little face reveal, not right now. However, here we have a bunch of funny Snapchat filters built into your Samsung. What a nice and cool feature! So we can, let's say, do a photo with the little cats here, and here we have the cats. What a great feature! Obviously, we can also press and hold in order to actually record something. So now I'm talking, now I can wave my hands, and as you can see, if we press the slow-mo is cool, we can see that these cats are indeed animated, which is pretty nice. However, not all features can be found in here, so you want to scroll all the way to the right, and here you should see a nice list of features. For example, a night mode is a pretty nice addition. It's hard for me to showcase it, but it will basically make, if you want to make a nice video or a nice photo in the dark, in the night or something, you should use night mode, as it is pretty handy. I don't think it is the best option. Like some people might say that it could be better, it could be improved, yada yada, you know, we all know the deal. However, we can also go to more and, for example, use the macro. Now, the macro is best used, as you can see, from about 3 to 5 centimeters away from the object, so we can move into our nice and beautiful plant here and do a photo. However, on the new Galaxy A56, just like the previous gen, we have 5 megapixel camera, which is visible, like it is nothing revolutionary, and yeah. And always we can just press these 4 dots here. Let's leave the macro mode, and we can also use other features here. For example, we could just go and enable the timer on the camera. We can change the size of our, let's say, canvas. We can also switch to different resolution, and we can do that on the bottom or here at the top. And while recording, we can also go here. Oh, not the super steady, but here we can also change the resolution and frame rate of our video. Keep in mind though that even if you enable, let's say, 60 FPS, then sadly whenever you switch to other frame rates, you won't be able to record in 60 FPS. Only in Full HD the 60 FPS option is available, and I accidentally started recording. Cool. And yeah, I think that's all for this video, and I hope now you can you know how to use nice camera features on Galaxy A56. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.